Today, we'll cover Nifty's fluctuating trends, key support and resistance levels, market sentiment, yesterday's trade highlights, and what to watch for with the upcoming Union Budget. In early action, GIFT Nifty was seen treading water. Overnight, Wall Street was closed for the 4th of July holiday due to the US Independence holiday. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty is likely to flirt with the dotted lines indicating an up and down session for benchmark Nifty. All anxious eyes now on the US non-farm payrolls (NFP) report for June 2024 to be wired on Friday 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Long story short, it could turn out to be an uninspiring or consolidation kind of the day. Honestly speaking, sometimes a little uncertainty and little consolidation is just what the market needs. Global cues are positive. In Thursday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2576 crores, while DIIs were net sellers to the tune of Rs 2375 crores. Sentiments for the day in favor of bulls. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. FANO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX has slipped towards 12.85 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 1.42 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 1.25. Nifty outlook, Nifty likely to waver. Nifty, CMP to 4302. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,157 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,500 mark. Range for the day is between 24150 and 24450. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 53104. Interweek support is placed at 52,501 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,500 mark. Range for the day is between 52,500 and 53500. Bias for the day is positive. The key positive takeaway from yesterday's trade. 1. The buying euphoria lifts Sensex above the psychological 80,000 milestone, record peak now at 80,393 mark. 2. Nifty's fresh all-time high at 24401. 3. Bank Nifty faces hurdles at its new all-time high at 53,358 mark. Nifty spectacular rally suggests Nifty's immediate goalpost now placed at 24,500 mark. The positive takeaway is that even the most aggressive bulls are rushing to revise their Nifty's targets higher to 25,000 for a market that keeps dragging on a higher high-low pattern. The line in the sand is at Nifty's make-or-break support at 24,000 mark. All bullish eyes now turn towards the upcoming Union Budget, which is proposed to be presented on 24th July at 11 a.m., with the economy survey estimated to be tabled on 23rd July.